Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making quick and easy poached eggs in our cast iron skillet. So let's set our burner to medium, and we're going to add at least 2 cups of water to our pan here, and we're going to let that heat up to like a little bit of a rolling boil. Alright, our skillet's coming to a rolling boil there. So we're going to use these egg rings. And we're going to put them right in here. Just like this. And we're going to crack 2 eggs in there. There's 1. There's 2. Now we'll just let them cook a little bit, maybe a minute or 2, and we can also use our spoon and we can put a little bit of hot water on top to cook the tops if we need to, and then they should turn out really nice. Alright, I'll bring you back when they're just about done. Okay, let's see how we did here. There's 1. There's 2. Okay, there you go. They look pretty good. Now, you could baste them a little bit, like I did. You could put a little bit on top there, and that'll firm up the top just ever so slightly. And then you can just take them out of there. And put them right on your toast. Just like that. And let me tell you, they're soft and nice. Take a look at them. Yeah, they're pretty. Yep. And you can put a little salt on there. Put a little pepper on there. And there you have it. Can't beat that. Quick and easy poached eggs in a cast iron skillet using our egg rings. And they don't spread all around. Worked out good. Beautiful. I'll give you a close-up of that. Well, there you have it, guys. Beautiful, quick and easy poached eggs. Aren't they nice looking? Yep. Alright, we got to get into them. I'm going to get you in close. Yeah, they're nice. Alright, let's have a little taste of them. See how they are. Alright, let's try this one. Oh yeah, look at that yolk. Oh yeah. You got to dip them in there. Oh yeah, they're easy. They're quick, they're easy, and they're tasty. And boy, they saw. That yolk is done perfectly. And you can leave them in there just as long as you want and control the cook time. Real easy with this iron frying pan. And the egg rings keep it from spreading all over the place. So you can cook quite a few in there with the egg rings. You could put 4 in there if you had 4 egg rings. Yeah. Yep. Okay there, guys. Now all I got to do is find out where I put my coffee. Yeah. I bet you it's in the microwave. What do you know? I found it. That's pretty good. Alright. I'm going to get into these before they get cold, and I'll see you on the next one.